Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Ron, and today in this video I'll be showcasing two special watches that I received to review. They're from Rolex. One is a 41mm Datejust and the other is a 31mm. Now these watches were bought from Kapoor Watch and Company. They have a lovely packaging and it's their 50-year anniversary. So they, are selling these Rolexes. Right? Now Rolex, of course, on the official website you can find the details of these watches. So the first watch that I'll be showcasing is the Datejust 41. That's Oyster 41mm, Oystersteel gold, and it's got a white gold rim on it. The bezel is fluted and the caliber is 3235, and the power reserve for this watch is 70 hours and the dial is dark rhodium. Okay, without wasting for much time, let's just quickly go to the unboxing of the watch. Getting to the unboxing, it's a typical white box made of cardboard with a Rolex symbol on it. It's embossed onto it. I'm not sure whether you can see it clearly in the camera or not, but it's the Rolex crown on it. It's plain. There are no demarcations on the box whatsoever apart from the Rolex crown. Right? Let's just quickly open it. Inside the cardboard box is the actual watch case, which is green in color. It says Rolex here. This is super luxurious and nice. I've seen a lot of boxes from Longines, from Omega. Now, Omega typically chooses to go with the wood finish. Rolex goes with this leathery textured finish on the box. Nothing else to see in the cardboard box. Let's just keep that aside. This is the Datejust 41mm rhodium black. When you open the box, alright, so this thing has come down a bit, but the documentation sits behind this panel here. Now this is really luxurious. The feel of this cloth wound over the cardboard is actually really nice and plush. Before we look at the watch, let's just look at what we have here. It says Oyster Perpetual Datejust, Rolex, and some instructions. Let's keep that aside for now. Over here is, I guess, the warranty card. Over here is the warranty card and the international warranty. I'm blanking out the serial number and the model for security and privacy sakes. Just hiding the owner of the watch and the date of purchase, but it says from Kapoor Watch and Company Private Limited, Delhi, India. And it's got a magnetic strip on it. It's activated worldwide for your warranty, which is actually very good. You can simply just show the card anywhere in any Rolex store across the globe and they will service your particular watch if needed. Let's just keep that aside. They've given a very nice leather case. I guess this is genuine leather. And it says something inside as well. Rolex SA. I don't know what that stands for. Genève, Swiss. A Swiss watch company. Alright. Let's look at the watch itself now. Oh, this is beautiful. At the side, you can see the Rolex crown. Now, the thing with these Rolex watches is, see, the crown doesn't necessarily stay up all the time. I would have liked it if Rolex made a function that the crown always faces upwards, but it's not there in this watch, which is quite okay. It's not a deal breaker, of course. The rim of this watch is white gold. Now, this is the Datejust 41mm with caliber 3235, and again, the battery life is 70 hours, like I stated earlier, and it's Oystersteel and white gold finish. The bracelet is a Jubilee belt, right? It's made of stainless steel, whereas the rim is white gold. I personally like the finish of this watch. It is subtle, it is luxurious, and of course, it's a Rolex at the end of the day. Let's just open the watch strap and see. It just comes up like that. Okay, that's fine. The dial color of the watch is dark rhodium. As you can see, the magnifier for the date. I've got some fingerprints on it. I was just wearing it a while back. It's got these markers for your time. It says Rolex Oyster Perpetual Datejust. I'm not sure whether you can see it clearly with the glare. Yeah, there you go. And it says at the bottom, it says superlative chronometer officially certified, Swiss made. That's nice. At the back, it's plain. Rolex, of course, is a brand that is actually very subtle in its designs. They make beautiful watches. Now, I have a Tissot 43.5 mm in my hand here. This is the Racing Touch. It's a very old model from Tissot. So just to give you a comparison, size comparison between the two sizes of the watch. A Tissot 43.5 mm, a Rolex Datejust 41 mm. I'm a fan of big watches, but let's just see how it looks on my hand here. Having a large wrist for a 43.5 mm watch. Okay, the strap's absolutely wound tight because I have a large wrist, and this watch isn't mine, it's a friend of mine's. And this looks really good. I might as well think of switching from a Tissot to a Rolex now. So just to give you a little more features about the watch, I have an iPhone here where I've opened the official page for this watch. It says Datejust 41, Oyster 41 mm, and the price is 5,98,000. Really expensive, right? But I would tell you, worth every penny if you're looking to buy a luxury watch at this price range. One of the best watch pieces you can buy at this price bracket. There are a few options from Omega, like the Aquaterra 41.5 mm worn by James Bond 007. So if you're a Bond fan, maybe you would prefer going towards an Omega watch rather than a Rolex, but why not get both of them? This is a very beautiful piece. Looking at the features again, here you go. It says on the website they have a reference number. They've got the bezel type, the water resistance features. It says 330 feet, that's close to 100 meters. Power reserve for approximately 70 hours. It works right off your wrist. There's no battery in this watch. The mechanism is automatic. A feature about the Rolex watches are below the 6 o'clock marker in the dial, you'll find the serial number of the watches, which is there in every Rolex. Something that I just got to know, right, from my friend who purchased this watch. And looking at this features, okay, like I said, on the watch it says superlative chronometer, COSC plus Rolex certification after casing. Even though this is not a diver's watch, right? But Rolex has included the diver strap extension. You can add further links here to extend the watch bracelet. This watch is 100 meters water resistance, which is of course not as good as official divers watches from Rolex, like the Submariner or the Omega Planet Ocean series, right? But Rolex has included a strap extension for the divers. It just simply clicks open and the watch strap increases. Now the links are very minimalist here. You can add further links over here, and you can extend the strap so that it fits right above your suit, which is of course good and handy, right? Let's look at what else is there in the box. Now going to the box itself, I guess they have a crown that says superlative certified, and they've got a hologram image here certifying it's a genuine Rolex and Rolex Genève. A nice collectible other than the watch. There you go. And some additional links, right, just to extend the strap for the watch. So that's it for this watch, folks. Let's quickly go to the other watch, the Datejust 31 mm. Alright, I have the Datejust 31 mm with me. Again, the box is similar, a little smaller though. A cardboard box with a Rolex embossed logo on the front. Nothing else to see in the box, rather. The exterior one at least. Let's just quickly open that and focus the camera. Again, the green box from Rolex. Some foam here, let's put that aside. The leathery texture green Rolex standard box. Okay, with a lovely Rolex gold crown front. Now this watch is the Datejust 31 mm. It's not the same dial color, but the features of this watch are shown on the Kapoor watch website. This is where this watch was purchased from, and the price tag is 3,92,200 rupees only, if you're willing to spend that much on a watch. But this watch is a gift for Miss Shweta Shahi, and she's not yet seen the watch, although, but I got a chance to review it before she actually sees the watch. Happy birthday, Shweta, and this video is dedicated to you. Again, going back to the features of the watch, the bracelet is Oyster with flat 3-piece links, 2235 caliber, again 330 feet or 100 meters resistance, and a 31 mm casing on the watch. Stainless steel. Let's look at the watch. Isn't that a beauty, right? A 31 mm. The 41 mm Rolex Datejust and a 31 mm Rolex. Of course, this is not for men's, it's for ladies. The bracelet of this watch is a little different from the 41mm. You can see there's a Rolex crown. It's got a more feminine touch to it. This is more masculine. Just beautiful. All right, let's just quickly take out the watch. Okay, and keep that aside. A 31mm Rolex Datejust with a superlative chronometer, officially certified by Rolex, blue in color. A magnifier for the date and the Rolex crowns. One feedback for Rolex is to ensure that these crowns always stay on top. After you completely screw them, they just look better, according to me rather. The watch bracelet opens up like that. You just have to remove the Rolex crown. You just have to pull on this Rolex crown and it opens. No extension for divers for the ladies' watch. Okay, on the strap it says Rolex, Geneve, Swiss made. It's a little difficult to see in the reflection, but that's what it says. At the back again, it's a plain stainless steel casing. So let's keep both of them side by side just to compare the sizes. A 31mm Rolex, blue in color, 41mm Rolex, dark rhodium in color. Two beautiful watches, will cost you close to 10 lakh rupees. But if you have that kind of money, go for a Rolex brand. They're just beautiful watches. One quick thing, the dial on the 31mm has Roman numbers. The dial on the 41mm has simply markers with some glow-in-the-dark finishes. That's it, folks, for this review. Do subscribe to the channel. This is the Venus Live Studio YouTube channel. Special thanks to Shweta for allowing me to review her birthday watch, and a special thanks to Prabhat for allowing me to review his watch, the 41mm. Do remember to hit the notifications button so that you get regular updates of videos that I keep posting. I'll be posting a lot of other lifestyle product reviews. I'll catch you in the next one. This is Ron, signing off. Bye-bye.